Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northeastern Wisconsin County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, south central Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, and Cobb County in northern West Virginia until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Sparta to near Cedar Creek to near West Lafayette, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail.
It's a doubleheader.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Uricksville, East Palestine, Roseville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Calcutta, New Comerstown, Minerva, Lisbon, Denison, Strasburg, West Lafayette, Cedar Creek, New Waterford, Big Beaver, and Augusta. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 8, Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile marker 64 and 93, Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio, Western Pennsylvania, and Northern West Virginia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm. The urgent weather message.
Car?